Continuing with our example on tomatoes, through our research, we've identified, for example, that United Arab Emirates is a potential customer for our product. We then know that there are Carrefour stores there, or we can do a search to determine what retailers are there. We do a search, we plug in tomatoes here, and it brings up our dashboard. The dashboard, if you look on the left here, it'll have countries of origin. Now, this is unusual for Carrefour. Not all companies have this. Sometimes you have to dig deeper, but this is really nice. It allows you to see kind of a pattern of where they're getting the product from. You can see some of the product is domestic, some of it is imported, the Netherlands, and some of it, you look here at Malaysia and UAE, which means they can alter sources depending on what they have available and the timing. So I've already opened a few of the tabs. We'll take a look at it here. We look at tomatoes bunch. It has the price here. Though the price is not something that we can base our export prices on. We really need to, and we'll talk about this in the pricing section, but base our export prices on our cost, not on what the retailer is selling for, because we don't always know why they're selling at that level. But you can get an idea. This is a yellow tomato. You can zoom in on it, but you can look at the details, look at competing products, look at how they're packaging it, what information is there. There's another one. This is a value-added product, and this is a bucket, and it is from Spain. Now, I don't know if the bucket is actually being packed in Spain or if it's being shipped in bulk to UAE and being packaged there. Again, you get a relative information on the price. You know where it's from. You can look at the different packaging and try and determine if that's something that you want to compete with or are able to compete with. And here's another example. Again, this particular product, the origin is United Arab Emirates or Malaysia. So they will switch origins depending on what they have available and the timing. Again, you can get a relative idea on the price. You can get how many pieces per kg, which will really help you in determining when and how to harvest your product. And you can look at relative flows based on what product is coming from what markets.